Most people believe that making $100,000 means working harder, longer hours, or chasing higher salaries. But in America, smart people think differently. In 2026, Americans are not focused on jobs. They are focused on income systems. Systems that can grow from $0 to $100,000 over time. Today, I'll explain the real American passive income plan, step by step, in the simplest way possible. Let's start from zero. When someone starts with $0, the first goal is not luxury. The first goal is stability. Most Americans begin by creating active income. This can be a job, freelancing, or a small business. Active income is important because it creates cash flow. But here's the key difference. Americans don't stop at salaries. They use salary money to buy assets. Assets are things that pay you again and again. The first asset many Americans choose is dividend-paying stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profit every few months. At the beginning, the income is small, maybe $50, maybe $100. But Americans don't spend this money. They reinvest it. Every dividend is used to buy more shares. More shares create more dividends. And over time, the income slowly grows. This is how passive income compounds in America. The second major income system is real estate. Americans don't wait to buy property with full cash. They use leverage. They take mortgages. They rent properties. And tenants pay monthly rent. That rent covers the loan and still leaves extra cash flow. Over time, property value increases, rent increases, and the loan balance decreases. This creates long-term wealth. The third powerful income system is online assets. In America, many people build income through content, digital products, and online platforms. This could be YouTube, blogs, courses, or affiliate marketing. The beauty of online income is that one effort can pay for years. A video made once can earn money every month. A digital product created once can sell thousands of times. This is why Americans love scalable income. Now here is the most important rule that separates successful Americans from everyone else. Reinvestment. Instead of upgrading lifestyle, they upgrade assets. Every extra dollar goes back into the system. More stocks, more properties, more content. This is how income grows from a few $100s per month to thousands, and eventually to $100,000 per year. But let me be very clear. This is not fast money. This is not overnight success. The American passive income plan requires patience, discipline, and consistency. Most people fail because they quit too early. Smart Americans stay focused. They think long-term. They trust the process. In 2026, inflation is real, job security is weak, and relying on one paycheck is risky. That's why income systems matter more than ever. If you start small, stay consistent, and reinvest wisely, this system works. This is how Americans move from $0 to $100,000 in income. If you want to understand how Americans really build wealth, subscribe to Smart Wealth USA. On this channel, we break down real strategies, simple systems, and honest money lessons anyone can understand.